number 30 number plate of Dustin hidden on the passenger side. Pushing and shoving now. Comes Peters into the wall as they slide these 2,000 pounds blocks around. Heading out there looking to make a cross-country hit. Look at Sinew back here, waiting. Oh, look out! Sinclair's not holding anything back. And Sinew comes right into it here. He goes right into the blocks, and Peters is trapped in the corner. All the flags are still up. Only 2 will go on to the final. What an action-packed night we've got going on here. Peters trying to get going. Hung up on the block. But he's moving again. Peters pushing Sinew out of the way. Trump backing it up here now. Peters into the block. Sinclair comes back. Gets in the left tap here. Dalton Putchrock's got to try and pull himself out of here now. Putchrock, the 2013 champion, with a big halo bar up on the top. Peters trying to get unhooked here now. Putchrock on the bumper is lost in time right in front of us. Sinew coming across the line. Oh, what a hit on Sinclair. Nice light touch there from Dustin Hedden. Coming into Sinclair's bumper. Look at Sinew around the outside. And he let it clean up right here. Trying to separate him here. He wants a competition hot and heavy. The 2 champions from 2016, 2017 now aligned as Peters again takes a hard shot here. Peters unable to get moving here now. The fire comes up from the front side here. Fire goes out, but it's still burning inside Joey Peters' car. Trying to stop him up right here, right now. Horns are blowing here. Hold on, guys. A little stop here right now as they double check Joey Peters. Oh, you guys gotta love the hard-hitting action here. Let me hit. Sinew trying to back his way out of here. Sinclair's big green machine. Hard hit right there from Sinew. And Sinclair is crippled here in the corner now. Back axle broken, tire is off. And they continue to bang and crash here. Sinclair, Joey Peters' brother-in-law, the brother of his lovely wife, who we will see out here, Rosie Sinclair, as Dalton Putchrock pops over one of the Jersey barriers here. Little strategy right now to find out who will end up going on. It's that last hit. You've got to make an aggressive hit every 60 seconds. No drivers, no more hits. Circles around the champion from the year prior as Hedden gets bashed into the front side of Sinclair's broken machine now. Hedden with that Town and Chrysler wagon. Autograph on the driver's side door. Sinew taking his time here now. The strategy that is good. Sinew tries for a crippling blow into the front side of Hedden is Putchrock. Dalton Putchrock's working that steering here right now. Putchrock circling it back around and hard into the backside of Hedden's car. Good shot in the corner there. Trying to hit that crippling blow on the rear axle. You can see Putchrock with that halo bar across the top of that big wagon. The green wagon is sponsored by Putchrock Electric and City of News. He's exposed now. Oh man, Justin Hedden got the worst of that one on the front side. Here comes City. City hard across it now. Tries to put that crippling blow into Hedden on the rear side. You saw City turn that machine a little bit sideways, that Chrysler Newport. Hedden is out. Former champion still in place. Touchdown will go on, number 1919 and 5150, the defending champion.